everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look, obviously, that I'm wearing right now. One of you actually suggested that I should do a tutorial wearing a white eyeliner. I did apply a black eyeliner as well, but I really like the way this look turned out. I think it's very pretty and it's very simple. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you've clicked on that ring bell button so you'll be notified every time I'm posting a new video. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. First time I'm using this product, it's from MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in the color Goldlite. I tried it in the store today. This reminds me so much of a product called Spotlight from Estee Lauder. I'm applying this on the highest points of my face, wherever I want to have that glow. So this gives you an overall glow. Now, from my experience, if you're using this kind of product and then you're coming with a full coverage foundation, it's not gonna really make any difference. I feel like this would make a difference if your skin is very beautiful already and you just want that nice glow. You can absolutely get it with this. I couldn't wear just this ever in my life. Next, I'm going to go with foundation, and I'm going to use Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in 3.5. I will apply about 2 pumps on my candle holder. I prefer to apply this foundation with my finger. I feel I use less product and it looks much more natural. It's just my opinion. For my skin, this product, I don't like it at all. I've got huge pores. What it did, it actually emphasized them. Nope, that's not for me. I'm gonna do the skin really quick with just my regular routine Tom Ford shade in Illuminate. This is an Intensity 1. Just to warm up the skin. Morphe G40 brush under the cheekbone, a little bit on the forehead. Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I said it before, but just in case you forgot, Beauty Blender must be used damp. So literally just put it under the water and just squeeze it. You'll see it will double its size. Laura Mercier Translucent Blue Setting Powder. Hakuhodo brush, one of my favorites. I love it because of its shape and also the quality of the hair bristles. After you apply your concealer, it will crease if you're not going to apply powder. So make sure it's nice and blended, and then you can apply your powder. Make sure you're applying a little bit of powder wherever you've applied any creamy product. I will take this Morphe Air 2 brush, and I'm going to use this bronzer from Marc Jacobs Summer Collection, and it's limited edition. Because I have some texture right here, I will apply it by tapping it like so. I want to give my skin a more of a bronzy feeling. Before anything else, I'm going to set the skin just because I want all those products, the powders especially, to like melt into the skin. And I'm going to use the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. This really makes a difference in the longevity of my makeup. Amazing. If your makeup doesn't really last, use that spray. I guarantee you're gonna see a difference. Big one. This is one trick that well, it's not really a trick. It's just, it's called laziness. When you have a beautiful blush color, this is Pinch O Peach. This is an eyeshadow, okay? Maybe it's not as pigmented as an eyeshadow would be, but you can still use it as an eyeshadow. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a blending brush. This is Hakuhodo, but you could use whatever fluffy blending brush you have. Now I've applied that concealer a little bit on my eyelids as well. And now I'm going to apply this blush, this eyeshadow, let's call it, all over my eyelid. You don't even need to be very precise with this. When you have a good brush, it just does the job for you. So basically, I am doing back and forth motions. It's such a romantic color. and so youthful. A lot of people say that reddish colors will give you a very tired look. I don't agree. If you mix them with the right colors and for the rest of your makeup, I think it looks beautiful. So I'll take the same color and apply it on my lower eyelid. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs palette. This is in Iconic. This is one amazing palette. It has beautiful, blendable, pigmented eyeshadows, very buttery. I love them all. I will take this color right here. This one I'll put it in the crease, and this one I'll put it in the inner corner. You'll see. Not too much, just a little bit. A wash. A little bit on the lower lash line. And then I will take this color right here and apply it on my inner corner. So pretty. How many times have you guys heard me say so pretty? So pretty. So pretty. I don't have a very rich vocabulary, as you can tell. I will apply some of that eyeshadow, tiny little bit on my brow bone. I mean, this look is so beautiful by itself, but here comes the fun part. Let's change the lenses. Now I'm going to use this MAC pencil. This is in Fascinating. It's just a white pencil. One of my followers gave me this idea. She said, why don't you do a white eyeliner look? I was like, wow, that's a brilliant idea. I'm not happy with this product. This is not strong enough. I'm going to make the line a little bit thicker because I want to use a black eyeliner as well. I'm so disappointed. No, 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 no. Let me try something. I'll be right back. I think I might have found a solution. I mean, I don't know. I've mixed this color right here with a little bit of Fix Plus from MAC on this tiny little brush. It has no name on it. It's like this. Oh yes. Still not exactly what I wanted, but you know, it's okay. Now I'm going to use this Givenchy eyeliner. This is in black. I guess it's not bad. Okay, I'm back, and this is how the eyeliner looks. Now, if you get very close, you can tell that it's not precise and it's not as opaque as I would have wanted to be. I'm a little bit disappointed on myself and the product that I chose to create that eyeliner. I really thought that pencil would work. I don't know what I was thinking. A pencil would never be as opaque as an eyeliner. Just a little bit disappointed, but I'll be okay. Don't worry about me. Moving on with mascara Better Than Sex from Too Faced, but I will apply false lashes. That Givenchy eyeliner, I wouldn't recommend that. You guys know that when I don't like a product, I understand that I might not like it, but there are people that might like it. Now, with this eyeliner, I don't know who would like it. It's not the brush, it's actually the liquid inside that is just... I will apply Coco Lashes Queen Bee. These. I wore them before, yesterday to be precise. I've applied my false lashes, and then I did apply some mascara. Extended Play Giga Black Lash from MAC on my lower lashes. That's my favorite product to use on my lower lashes. And let's move on with lips. I'm gonna use Talking Points lip liner from MAC. I believe that MAC has the best lip liners out there. Now I'm going to take another lip liner. This is in Rosy Rim, and I will apply it on top of the other one. I guess. I like this look. I think I might have a lipstick that is exactly this color. And I have the perfect lipstick for this look. Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. This is in the color Goals. No, it's not. Rosy rim all over my lips, and that's pretty much it. I kind of like the way it looks. I will apply some blush, and this is Pinch O Peach from MAC. It's the same that I've applied on my eyelids. Lightly, only on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm going to apply this highlighter from NARS. This is in Fort-de-France. I do like to apply highlighter a little bit on my forehead. I'm going to apply the Tarte Luminous Dewy Skin Mist for even more glow. Alright guys, this is my spring makeup tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button. Thank you so much. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. If you are coming from Instagram, leave me a comment, please. This way I know that you're part of my Instagram family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Isn't she lovely? Pretty please. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she? Isn't she? I'm addicted and I just